Hello everyone, this is Yashasvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I saw that you guys loved my IKEA haul video a lot, so I decided to do another haul video. I'll be doing Meesho haul. So this is the first time I was ordering from Meesho, so I didn't want to go crazy while ordering because you don't know the status of online orders, right? So I ordered bunch of items and I must say that the items that came were in perfect condition. They were so pretty and I'll show you all of them. But before we start, please do subscribe to this channel and let's begin. So the first item which I ordered was this set of cute flowers. So these are like very pretty flowers and I wanted something of very small stem size because as you can see the pot here, the pot size is very small. So I wanted something which can fit in this and it's the perfect size for this pot. So the other thing which I ordered was this set of 2 kitchen rolls. So usually the kitchen rolls which you get do not have any pretty prints, they're just plain white. So these were looking very cute and I ordered these. To keep these, I have ordered set of 2 of these. So these are like tissue or kitchen roll holder. It comes with the sticky tapes. I'll show you one which I have already attached. As you can see, it's really sturdy and it's very convenient to move out the kitchen tissue from them. I also ordered these 2 cute night lamps. So the best thing about this is it has 30-minute timer also with that, and just look at it, how cute it looks. So it's very convenient if you want to read a book for 30 minutes and then fall asleep. So this light will automatically close. But majorly I ordered it because they were very cute looking. Then I also ordered these sock drawer organizers. So these were the set of 4 and I'll quickly show how pretty they look all together. So I got 2 white, 1 peach and 1 green. So I got these so that I can keep all the scattered stuff at one place. One has the plant and all the stationeries, other I have put my medicines in, and the third one which is near my bedside table, I use it to keep the book that I'm currently reading, my journal, my earphones and my charger. I also got set of these kind of 6 boxes. So these are the ones to keep your groceries fresh. So there is a stand here which like when you keep it, it stays above. So any water droplets can just stay below it and it keeps your vegetables fresh. And to top that, it keeps your fridge very organized and clean.
This table runner matches perfectly with my white and yellow living room aesthetic.
This is the prettiest rack I could find on Meesho. It's just like making my little coffee corner. So here I've put sugar, tea, cups which I frequently use, then coffee and flaxseed honey, which is like the frequent things that come when I wake up in morning. So yeah, that was my small Meesho haul. I hope you liked the video and please mention down in the comment section what thing did you like the most or you're planning to buy it, and please don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet back in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.